Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Netflix on Smart TV. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change the font style, appearance of your subtitle on your Smart TV in Netflix, just like what you see on the screen of my TV right here. So let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and go back to the home page on Netflix right here. So I'm going to choose a particular movies. So let's say, for instance, I want to use this particular movie right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the movie. So when you click on the movie, this is a new drama right here. So go ahead and hit on play. Then hit on order. Then you have different languages right here. You can watch this movie in Arabic. Click on show more. Then you have other languages right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to watch this movie in Filipino. So you can see once you select the language, then it will automatically change to the language you choose right here. So I'm going to go ahead again and select and use my downward arrow key, then continue like that. Your left arrow key, your left, and your left again until you get to the setting icon. Hit on OK. Then you have different options for the layout. So you can see this is a bold subtitle right here with a drop shadow. You can see this is a tiny one with a drop shadow. This is the one with the layout. You can choose to something like this. So if you are satisfied with this, hit on OK. Then it will automatically added to your subtitle. Then go back onto the movie order. Then switch back to English caption, or you can switch to Arabic caption or what have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.